People, it's your boy Desimoni at it again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, kindly hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future updates. I would like to start this week's analysis by taking your mind back to what we had last week. We predicted for the market to go low and it did so exceedingly well. I hope you guys made lots and lots of money from last week's trading, because I did, yeah. Alright, so guys, this is going to be analysis for Euro USD, our favorite pair, and the time frame we shall be using would be 4 hours. So for this week analysis, I would first of all like us to take a look at the weekly chart, the weekly time frame, right here. So looking at the weekly time frame, you can all see that the sellers still have enough momentum in the market. They had already broken this previous low and they had created a new low over here, and so there is still signs that the market might go a little bit deeper. But then when we come back to the 4 hours chart, right here, I want to draw your attention to this pattern right here. There is a pattern here which would be familiar for those of you who do price action. We have here with us a V pattern that has been formed over here, and if you're wondering what a V pattern is, it's one of the so many reversal patterns we have in Forex. And so V patterns are always very strong reversal patterns, and whenever we have a V pattern being formed in a chart, there are two things we should expect. We always expect the market to have a test phase, a move to the midpoint of the V and back up. Most of the times we get two test phases. It takes another move to the downside before the market ultimately goes up. But given the strength that we've seen from the sellers from the previous week, there is a possibility that this market might as well open up and take us all the way to this support level right here. Why not even going beyond this level before it can ultimately take its reversal to the upside? And why am I so confident about this reversal here? It's because of this V pattern we see here. That is why I think the market would be in for an upward movement this week. So what we expect to see this week, guys, given the fact that we already have a V pattern set up for us here, we expect to see a test phase which might be in the form of a consolidation. Eventually we would have a move to the downside which may or may not occur, but ultimately we expect the market to make a move to the upside. And it should not only be ended or limited to this point. We should have maybe another consolidation from this level, and then we should have a last push maybe right up to this point over here. So guys, you should know that this analysis is just based on the direction of the market, like the weekly bias. We're just trying to see which direction the market would be going. So things might not play out exactly as they are on this analysis. There might be a consolidation at this point, there might be a consolidation at this point, as well as there might not be. But then from our analysis, we've been able to determine that for this week the market will be in an upward momentum. Okay, so guys, for those of you who are swing traders, I would not advise you to take so many trades this week. You should be able to keep a close eye on your chart. For those of you who are scalpers and day traders, this is going to be a good week for you, but then still you have to try as much as you can to keep a close watch on the chart, because the market would have funny movements, we will have a series of consolidations, and because the market is about to make its turn to the upside, you might expect the unexpected. So this is going to be a very tricky week, but then we've already established that the overall movement would be to the upside. So guys, this is what I have for you this week. I hope it's insightful, and if you've been benefiting from the previous analysis we've been making, I would like you to give this video a thumbs up, and why not share this content with others so we can pass this message to many other people. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. With that being said, I would like to wish you all a happy trading week, and I will see you next week for more amazing content. Until then, peace out.